Hey hustlers! Ready to make your dreams a reality? Here's why you should start a side hustle today. Reason 1. Extra cash. Who doesn't want more money in their pocket? Reason 2. Flexibility. Work on your terms, anytime, anywhere. Reason 3. New skills. You'll learn things you never imagined. Reason 4. Security. A side hustle can be a safety net. Reason 5. Passion projects. Turn your hobbies into cash. Reason 6. Networking. Meet like-minded folks and expand your circle. Reason 7. Confidence boost. Prove to yourself you can do it. Reason 8. Financial independence. More income means more freedom. Reason 9. Opportunities. A side hustle can open doors to new ventures. Reason 10. Personal growth. The journey will make you grow in ways you can't even imagine. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start hustling. Your future self will thank you.